You don't need a gym membership to burn fat, improve fitness, and transform your body. Some of the most effective weight loss exercises can be done right at home, using only your body weight. But not all exercises work the same way. Some burn calories fast, some build muscle, and some improve endurance while activating your entire body. Today we'll break down 8 powerful home exercises for weight loss and explain exactly how they affect your body. Jumping jacks are one of the simplest full-body cardio exercises. They increase your heart rate quickly while activating your legs, shoulders, arms, and core at the same time. Because they involve constant movement, they help your body burn calories efficiently and improve cardiovascular endurance. Just 1 minute of jumping jacks can dramatically raise your heart rate. They're perfect for warming up or for high-intensity fat-burning circuits. Bicycle crunches target the abdominal muscles, especially the obliques and upper abs. The twisting motion forces your core muscles to stabilize your body while your legs remain active throughout the exercise. Although abdominal exercises alone won't directly burn belly fat, strengthening your core improves posture, stability, and overall athletic performance. This exercise combines muscle activation with moderate calorie burning. Burpees are one of the most intense bodyweight exercises for fat loss. They combine a squat, push movement, and jump into one explosive exercise. Burpees activate nearly every major muscle group in your body: legs, chest, arms, shoulders, and core. Because they demand so much energy, they dramatically increase calorie expenditure and cardiovascular effort. They're exhausting, but incredibly effective. High knees are a fast-paced cardio exercise that improves endurance and coordination. By repeatedly driving your knees upward, you engage your lower abs, hip flexors, calves, and cardiovascular system. This movement burns calories quickly while improving agility and stamina. The faster the pace, the greater the intensity. High knees are often used in HIIT workouts because they keep your heart rate elevated. Mountain climbers combine cardio and core training into one exercise. While holding a plank position, your core stabilizes the body as your legs move rapidly. This activates the shoulders, chest, arms, abs, and legs simultaneously. Mountain climbers are excellent for burning calories while improving muscular endurance and coordination. They're basically a moving plank, with much higher intensity. This exercise focuses more on control, flexibility, and muscular endurance. The plank position strengthens the core, shoulders, and arms, while the downward dog movement stretches the hamstrings, calves, and spine. It may not burn calories as aggressively as burpees, but it improves posture, stability, mobility, and overall body control. It's especially useful for balancing intense workouts with mobility training. Squat jumps are a powerful lower body exercise that combines strength and explosiveness. Your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, and calves generate force to launch your body upward. Because explosive movements require large amounts of energy, squat jumps significantly increase calorie burn and muscle activation. They also improve athletic power and leg endurance. This exercise quickly turns into intense cardio. Running in place is a simple but effective way to stay active indoors. It keeps your body moving continuously while increasing heart rate and oxygen consumption. Depending on speed and intensity, it can become a surprisingly effective cardio workout. Adding arm movement or faster pacing increases the challenge even more. It's accessible, beginner-friendly, and requires zero equipment. Weight loss happens when your body burns more energy than it consumes. Exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and squat jumps increase calorie expenditure because they recruit many muscles at once and elevate heart rate. But exercise alone isn't enough. Sleep, nutrition, stress levels, and consistency all play major roles in fat loss. The best workout is the one you can perform consistently over time. You don't need expensive equipment or a gym to improve your body and health. Simple bodyweight exercises can strengthen muscles, burn calories, and improve endurance, all from home. Try combining these exercises into a short daily routine and stay consistent. Your body adapts to what you repeatedly do. So start moving today. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Naturyxon for more videos about human biology, fitness, and the science behind your body.